In this video, you will learn how to remove duplicate values in Excel. In this spreadsheet, I have data of orders placed by different users from different merchants, their order values, and as you can see that the same user may have placed orders from two different merchants or many different merchants. Similarly, the same merchant could be repeated several different times. Let's say I want to list all the unique merchants in my data. Excel has a function for that. You can go into the Data tab and there's a Remove Duplicate function right here. I've got all my different column names selected here, and let's see what happens if I click OK. Excel had found 3 duplicate values and removed them, while 47 unique values remain in my data. What this means is that there were 3 rows in my data that were exact duplicates of others. Sometimes you may not want to remove the entire rows, but are looking for unique values in a particular column. So here, I'm interested in finding out unique merchant names in my data. In order to do that, I can go back to remove duplicates. Right now, I have all the different column headers selected. I can unselect them all and only select the column that I want to remove duplicates from. So that is merchant. I'm going to click OK, and you see what has happened. Excel found 22 duplicate values and removed them, and now only 25 unique values remain. The problem with this approach is that now I have lost the data for those 22 rows where my merchants were repeated. If I don't want to do that, I'm going to undo this, and what I can do is copy this particular column merchant, paste it in another sheet, and now go back and use remove duplicates. And this time, because I only have one column, that is the one that is selected, if I press OK, 22 duplicates are removed and 25 unique values remain in my data. So this way, I now have a list of unique merchants in my data. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more similar content.